Okay, got home early today. I got a challenge lock here. It's a Union from Steensy. Lock works really good. It's got a little click in it here and there, nothing major. It is locked up. Here's the bitting. I believe it's a 5-pin. So, and I also know with these Unions, you don't take the screws out of the back. Let's see if this will work. 5, 2, see what? Let me try this little hook here. Got a little turn. Got our little faucet going here. And it's open, I believe, on 2. Oh, sorry. And just to show it. Alright. Try to keep it in frame. Yeah. Let's see if I remember how this clip comes out. Let's see, I believe it. Yep. Comes out right like this. So those screws might be in my way. Trying to keep from doing it where I lock it back up, but upside down's fine, I guess. There we go. Almost pushed it out. Let me scoot these back. There we go. Where's my other follower? No, I believe this one. I believe this one will work. I don't know if I should shim this or not. I think it better. The only reason is because of the little clicking I heard in the Bible when I turned the key. Just in case there's a T-pin or something, I think that'll work. Or maybe too big. I figured that would work, but guess not. Hey, look at there, I caught that. Okay. All 5 pins. Look like some serious either counter milling or the pins have been filed down. I believe there's counter milling done on that one. Number 1, serrated up at the top. Number 2, nicely serrated. Oh, no, that's number 3. Number 2's There's number 2. And I will double check these when I go to put them back in. I always double check the key pins. Oh, I hit that one right. I don't know if you can tell, but there is some threading, it looks like, in the plug. Now, get my little tweezers. I'm getting used to my new stuff in here. Well, I'm glad I shimmed it, because that pin right there, beautiful. And another beauty. He was in that way. Another one. I'll do a close up here of these pins, and last but definitely not least, that one. Get that shim off. Just to show, yes, here's the springs. And there. And let's see, somebody stuck my flashlight, but this will work. Alright, I see threading on 4 or 5. Maybe all of them. That first one's hard to tell. Oh, yep. Okay, so the Bible has been threaded. I don't know if you can see any of that. You can really see it on the last pins there. There you go. So the Bible and cord both have been threaded, or has threads. I love unions. Here is the 5-pin union from Steensy, or as they call them on the form, Sir Steensy. Alright, Steensy, appreciate the lock. As always, everyone be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Again, appreciate the lock. Nicely done pins, especially that T pin. I love that one. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.